Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic, I Just Want to Be With You. Special bonus chapter, part 1. Now, Lin Yan and Song Yoo-hang, they've been sleeping together. It seems that it was getting late but the two of them still sleeping. Suddenly, it was Lin Yan who sudden wake up. Well, probably. She looks really tired, and also she seems to be surprised when Song Yoo-hang suddenly also got awakened. Well, looking at the two of them, Lin Yan, she's trying to turn off the alarm clock and said to her, it's already morning. Oh, they need to wake up early. They need to go to work. But suddenly Song Yoo-hang, she is trying to stop her from waking up. Well, this girl, is she going to try to be tricky? Now, Song Yoo-hang, she moved closer and faced her. We. Suddenly, right now, Song Yoo-hang said to her, did you remember what I said? We will get married. Now, it really makes sense. The two of them are always been together. The closest person I am in the world is my mother, and I'm willing to give all of you, including my life. Now, we are already married. But these two, they're really getting tricky. Now, let's go back to the room. Well, it's early morning, and Song Yoo-hang is asking her, what's wrong? You ate and wipe and clean, and now, you don't want to admit it, right? After hearing this, Lin Yan, she seems to be getting angry. You. Suddenly, she was holding a pillow, going to throw it on hers. But, looking at herself, she seems to be quiet. She came back to her bed. Whoops, my waist is sore. Now she was really laughing. For Song Yoo-hang, she was only looking at hers. So, can you still get up and go to work today? Song Yoo-hang seems to be worried. What did you said? Lin Yan is asking her. Well, I can give you a fake one. Now, she moved closer to her, and she kissed her gently on the ears. It really makes different to Lin Yan. Now, she seems to be surprised. Also, look at her. She seems to be uncomfortable. Well, Song Yoo-hang, she's getting tricky early in the morning. Now, she seems to be acting aggressive. But for Lin Yan, it seems that she can really do anything. Look at her. She was only lying on the bed, and she was only moving adequate. Lin Yan said to her, don't. But of course, looking at herself, she really looks uncomfortable. Suddenly, she pushed Song Yoo-hang away from her. Well, definitely. Lin Yan said to her, come again. We are tossing until dawn last night. Now, she's really getting angry. Now, Song Yoo-hang was looking at hers. Well, it is really late. Song Yoo-hang said to her, well, for now, she'll need to wake up now and fix herself. Go to work first and we'll come back at noon to make lunch for you. Okay, you can get out. And Song Yoo-hang said to her that she's going to leave. Lin Yan, she seems to be stopping her. Well, Song Yoo-hang looked back on hers. Now, does it really make sense? Since she was pushing her away, now she wants her to come back to hers. Lin Yan said to her, remember to come back at noon. Looking at Lin Yan, she seems to be lazy. Well, let's see. Song Yoo-hang, she moved closer to her. Now she kissed her gently on the head. Said to her, okay. Well, this is really good, right? Hey guys, there's a few features that can be found on Discord. Please don't forget to check the members Discord later. Thanks for watching.